If you're looking for an amazing power bank that is portable, easy to travel with, slim, under a pound, and has all the chargers that you could possibly need, so you don't need those annoying wires or have to remember them, you will absolutely love this. I love traveling with this. I could charge every device I have. I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, I have headphones. So that's what I like. They come in these nice little cords. We got the USB here. We got the one for the iPhone. This one is for the Android and for iPad and headphones. So literally just put one in there. Boom, pop that open. And then I use this a lot for my iPad, which is really nice. So you'll see there that starts charging like that. Like the fact it charges the devices super quickly. And I could travel with this, not have to worry about bringing any cords. And this cord will also charge the device itself. Charge the device is fast. So if you're looking for a great power bank, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.